Hey everyone, I'm here to show you guys how to submit your clients in for assistance. First, we want to start with going to the website that you created whenever you signed up for your account. Once you have gotten to your personal website, you will scroll down to the form that says Get in touch with us. Submitting to clients can be done by you, your TC or admin, or the clients themselves. Since we assist the clients via direct contact, it is super important to have correct information in these fields. The key fields include first and last name, email, phone number, new moving address, and estimated close date. Having correct information is not only important for us to be able to reach the clients, but it also allows us to align the installation dates according to their move-in. Once you have all the information completed, just select Request Callback. From here, you will see a confirmation pop up that also provides a number for immediate assistance. Once submitted, a member of our concierge team will reach out within 24 to 48 hours. For best practices, we do recommend submitting your clients 2 weeks prior to their closing date. This gives us ample time to ensure that we're able to get in contact with the clients and get their services set up in a timely manner. However, if you need a call expedited, you can always reach out to a member of our business development team to speed up the process. Just as a reminder, our hours of operation are 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. Central Time, Monday through Friday. This means that for any client submitted after 7 p.m. Central on Fridays, they will be assisted the following week.